You need to step up your safety game. You need to increase your profits. You need to know what's happening on the road. But you're afraid you'll lose your drivers if you put cameras in their cabs. What if the answer is as simple as choosing the right camera? Exoneration is no longer enough. You need new, advanced technology with patented artificial intelligence and edge computing to help you make the right decisions, keep you informed, and keep your drivers safe. You need the only video safety system that can recognize all the good driving your team is doing. The system that gives points and bonuses for great driving, that boosts driver morale and performance, so you keep your best drivers. You need a solution that acts as your assistant coach, sending automatic tips to drivers on how to improve. Because who doesn't want to be the best at what they do? You need instant access to alerts and videos, so you know exactly what happened when. You need easy reports that show who your best drivers are and who could use some support. You need technology that works hard for you, a system that will future-proof your fleet. Help your drivers stay safe so they come home to their families. Help you stay sane so you can sleep at night. Help your fleet stay in business and profit more. Only the most advanced fleet safety camera can help. It's time to step up your safety game. Netradyne Driver Eye.